Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on division with powers of 10 worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can do some practice dividing by powers of 10. Now if you're not sure what to do, there is a lesson on this particular worksheet. On the next slide there is a link. If you click on that link, that will take you straight to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. Now in the lesson, basically we said that if you are dividing by 10, which involves 1 0, all you do is move the decimal point one place to the left. If you're dividing by 100, which involves 2 zeros, you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And the decimal point we're referring to is that one and that one, the ones in the number. Okay, the number that you are given. With 3 zeros, the lesson says that we move the decimal point 3 places to the left, and with 4 zeros, we move the decimal point 4 places to the left. Now when you have a whole number, you can't actually see the decimal point, but it's always here to the right of the whole number. Doesn't matter whether it's a single digit or it has a number of digits like 694. The decimal point's always to the far right. Now with conversions between different measurements, it's very, very important to know the conversion. For example, here you need to know how many meters in a kilometre. You need to know how many millimeters in a centimetre. And you need to know how many centimetres in a metre. Once you know those conversions, then the division is easy because it will give you the required number of zeros. You also need to know how many square metres in a hectare. How many millimetres in a metre. How many millilitres in a litre. That's capacity. How many litres in a kilolitre? You have to know how many litres in a megalitre. You have to know how many kilolitres in a megalitre. And finally, a little tricky one here to finish off with, you have to know how many centimetres there are in a kilometre. So this video has given us some practice, and we have been given a lot of examples, or a number of examples, to do with dividing by powers of 10. And the important thing is to work out how many zeros there are, and that will tell you how many places to move the decimal point to the left.